Welcome back, students. In this video we will discuss this third question. Okay, third question में क्या है? Find the variate x is defined by this. Expectation of x की power r is given to you and then we have to show कि अगर x is equal to 0 है तो probability क्या होगी, x is equal to 1 पे what will be probability, and for all x which are greater than or equal to 2 the probability is 0. This thing we have to show by the given information. Okay, तो given information के according what is the value of this given solution में है, we know कि expectation of x की power r is equal to mu r dash. This is the formula we know. That means here value of mu r dash is given to you, which is 0.6. Okay, that is constant value. Now moment generating function mxt is equal to expected value of e की tx, that I can open summation r from 0 to infinity t की power r upon में r factorial mu r dash. Now in the question your r is starting from 1, तो जब r 1 से शुरू होगा only in that case I put this value. So what I need to show, put r is equal to 0. When you put r is equal to 0, mu 0 dash की value is always 1. Mu 0 dash is always 1. Whenever and wherever you will use this, you will use 1. So it will be 0 t की power 0 1 0 factorial 1, that will be 1. So 1 summation r from 1 to infinity t की power r upon में r factorial mu r dash. Now I can put that value 1 plus 0.6. mu r dash की value 0.6 is independent of summation, so I will take it out. तो r from 1 to infinity t की power r upon में r factorial. All right, now open the formula. 1 plus 0.6, open this. t by में 1 factorial, t square by 2 factorial, t की cube by 3 factorial and so on. If I want to make it the expansion of e की power t, I need to add 1, and if I am adding तो I need to subtract 1 also. तो add 1 here and from this complete bracket subtract 1 from it. So what you will get, and this 1 that you are subtracting, it will multiply with this. So 1 plus 0.6, it will be e की power t minus 1, which is 1 plus 0.6 e की power t minus minus 0.6. Okay, so it will be 0.4 plus 0.6 e की power t, name it as 1. Now by the definition of MGF function, what you have, e की power t x, it will be r is 1 2 3 4, that means discrete है ना. In that case summation I will use r from here, r is starting from 1, so directly I am writing here 1. Okay, 0 से p x, तो यहाँ से you can write capital px or small px, that is your choice. तो ये r is equal to 0 पे you have e की पावर 0 1 p at 0 plus e की पावर t p1 plus e की पावर 2t p2 and so on, name it as 2. Now this is equal to mxt, this is also equals to mxt. Now comparing these two, comparing 1 and 2. 1 and 2 को when you compare, the constant coefficient is 0.4. constant term का coefficient कौन है, 0.4. तो p of 0, इसका मतलब है p of x at 0, it is 0.4. done, first thing. Second thing, probability at 1 is equal to p of x is equal to 1, which is 0.6. done that one. And after that यहाँ पे कोई term ही नहीं है, but here are infinite terms, तो all the terms which are greater than or equal to 2, that value will be 0. probability of x greater than equal to 2, probability कि x greater than equal to 2, that will be 0. Done. We did this question by the definition. Both definitions we uses at the same time and then we get our result.